everyone, so this is a video to demo a project I made for CS889, and it was intended to be a VR project, but for now, since I don't have access to a VR headset, I'll just make it into a pure 3D application. And you can use this tool to read or watch Game of Thrones in a 3D environment. You can see this is how the game scene looks like. All the models are downloaded from a website called Sketchfab, and the dataset I use from IMDb database, and I export them into a local file in Unity using scriptable object. Like here, you can see its character database. It stores all the character informations. Like here, Arya Stark, and it's her house name, her character image, if she's killed by anyone, or any other actions she has. And the next database is the map information. Each of them corresponds to a location on the map. Like here, this is a wall, this is Winterfell, like that. Next one is timeline information. It stores all the things in the show from Game of Thrones, the HBO TV series. Like here, you can see it has scene start time, scene end time, where it happens, how many characters show up in the scene, any critical events or actions happening at that moment. So let's go to the main window here. On the left side, there are two notification panels. The top one is a description panel, which means if you click on anything on the screen, it shows its description. Like this. Only it's just the name of the place, nothing very interesting. And next is an alert panel, which means it notifies you any critical event as time passes by. And on the right side, there's a filter menu. It allows you to select or remove a group of people by house, or remove or add a specific one. You can choose from a drop-down menu. And this thing is a recommendation button, which means if you select a character, it recommend another character who you might also be interested in. And at the bottom is a timeline progress bar, which means you can drag them to change the time progress. And here, let's give it a try. So the show starts, and all the characters from stock, which is selected by default, spawns on the map, and they start to move across the map according to the TV show. Yeah, you can see it's from season 1, episode 8 right now. And if you click on these polylines, which is the traveling path left by a character, it will be highlighted like this. Let's move it in a bit. Yeah, maybe remove all the characters and just select one. Maybe just add as Stark. Yeah. It will be selected and showing in red. And maybe choose another house. Let's try Tully, maybe. Tully has not shown in the story yet. How about Targaryen? Okay, so here it's Targaryen. Lannister, I think. This is Baratheon, so yeah. This is Robert Baratheon. So each house has its own color. If you choose maybe Lannister, which will be showing yellow, and Bolton will be okay, it's not there yet. How about Frey? yeah, fur will be light blue. So now let's look at how the system notifies users when and where a critical event happens. So if I start a story and select Jamie Lannister as a main character, yeah, and I remove all the others. So here we can show that, okay, now it shows Jamie Lannister is selected, and on the map where the polyline of Jamie Lannister goes, there's a big blood icon, I think. You can call that a glyph. And yeah, it shows that when and where at that specific point Jamie killed Jory Castle. And for future work, I think I will be adding more meaningful visualization stuff into it. For now, it's just simple and quick to notify that when, where, what happens. Lastly, let's see how the recommendation button works. So first, you need to select one character. Here, I want to choose Arya Stark. So let's add him on the screen. So now Arya is selected, and now the system suggests to me that I might be also interested in Gendry. So yeah, that's true, because in the story, Gendry and Arya, they're always traveling together, and they're kind of like a couple. So after that, I can remove Arya, because now I only want to look at the story of Gendry. Let's continue. Okay, now the system is suggesting to me another character, which is the Hunt Sandal Clan game, which, yeah, you can also choose to click on that. So Sandra will be added on the screen as well, and now continuing, the next character shows up here.